It actually looks cool.
And you go like this.
You're dripping.
Come here. Oh no. Oh no.
Duck.
You should duck. Okay,
I'm gonna record my armpit.
No.
Oh, your eye.
I got your
eye. It's blinking.
Look at the camera.
It sounded like Moto Boto.
Look at the camera.
Your eye. You chunky.
I got you yawning. My face feels like all stretched now. Right?
Right. Man, I sound like a freaking man.
You can't put this on YouTube.
Yes, I will. Hey,
Yes, you can.
Your face looks like water.
How did I do yours all the way out here?
Oh wow, it looks like it looks like
Oh, my mouth.
It looks light blue on the camera.
You're light blue on the camera.
This is the little boy that keeps talking.
I won't stop.
Oh my gosh. Do it again.
Ugly.
Where? Come here, you want me to paint your face?
Okay. What are you gonna do? Put me in the dimension.
Dad's gonna get mad.
I'll go wash it off.
I just need someone to dry my fingers.
That's me.
Here, I want to
Where's the
see
yellow
how
one?
I look. How
Right here.
do I look?
The yellow spongy. Oh.
It was the bottom of this, but I guess you're gonna use a new one.
Okay.
Stephanie just got her eyebrows done the other day. Cute.
What? I guess I did. No more hairy Mexicanitis.
Oh, it's cold.
Don't do that.
It's cold.
I should have did the yellow one first.
You should have put me as a Dalmatian.
It's cold.
Wash it off.
Dude, I thought I was looking at your face.
What were you looking at?
Brian, it's like that video when he took this down. Funny.
It's cold. Oh God.
You really
thought you were.
That's scary.
It's cold. Oh my God, it's gonna go on YouTube when I cross my eyes. I'm not really cross-eyed. Steph! You drank out of my cup.
This is my cup.
Mine is a blue.
Yours is red.
Hurry up, go! The piranha.
If I put it on the blue paint, then it's gonna mix and then it'll turn green.
Dude, go!
It's gonna turn green.
It's okay, I'll be a green person. Ow.
You will be a grenade. In God's army, you will be a grenade.
You will.
Look, and that's where it's look.
You are a grenade of God. Aww. I don't know if that was a joke or an insult.
Are you saying grenade?
Well, that's what Steph said, a grenade. You'll be a
It's
grenade.
really cold and it feels like you're packing it on me.
I'm not.
Right? It's what it feels like.
Mate.
You know what? I'm gonna get your nose hairs now.
I have a stuffy nose.
Well, that explains the snoring.
What?
That explains the snoring.
Can I press play now?
That wasn't me. That was Lita.
Okay.
I was still awake and I heard her snoring.
Snoring?
Snoring.
Don't run it by itself.
Brian, don't play it.
I didn't play it. Just do it by itself.
Turn it off.
I didn't play it. It just loaded by itself.
I almost broke out dancing, yo.
Okay.
I don't like it. It doesn't look smooth.
Look at that expensive ring. Look at the way she just strokes her face.
Hey, look. She's
Don't make me
your
laugh.
hand. She's recording your hand. That's good. No, she's not. She's just recording Anissa's face.
Oh, my eyelash!
Chinela,
Do it! Take it off!
Chinela. What kind of word is that? Pervert.
Ow, my eye!
Stop, I'm gonna chop it off.
You're taking off all my eyelashes. I'm not gonna have none.
You don't have any anyway.
Let's see about that.
Here.
Oh!
Let me see.
Blink your eyes.
Oh, I can't do it right now.
I just is gonna
I
take
can't.
one.
She really does have eyelashes.
Is my forehead blue? Is my forehead blue? Flowers?
What'd you do?
You gotta paint her whole eye now.
What'd
My
you...
forehead blue.
You moved.
You're making me look like a clown.
No.
Blue.
Ah.
She got yellow on your face now. Look at the green. Stephanie doesn't know how to
Stop.
separate the colors. So bright.
No, not my whole eye.
I know, but I messed up, so now I have to do it.
Now when I go and rinse it all off, it's gonna get in my eye. Seriously.
I'm sorry.
You're so not wearing earrings today.
What?
Your earrings.
Yeah, I didn't feel like it. And I couldn't find any. My room's a mess.
There.
They're sticking together! They're sticking